Yo, what's up, y'all? I figured I'd just do like a little vlog today because it's nice out, had a good day. And I'm about to take the drone downtown Tampa. So right now I'm downtown Tampa and I'll switch over to the back footage. Yeah, so I'm about to walk down to the Riverwalk. My boy Fraser's down there. Y'all probably know him from the New York vlogs and the Miami and all that. I probably should have bought my DJI mic, but I just kind of wanted to go outside and vlog, so. For all the people up north, this is what it looks like in Tampa right now. Beautiful. Not a speck of snow in sight. I think I'm walking the right way. Y'all call it the library or the library? Because it's spelled library, but long story short, that's where I gotta make that left up there at. And I know the light says don't go, but with all that traffic, I'm going. See? That should say library. Library. I probably should have vlogged Art Basel, but I was paid to do a lot of things with 2 cameras, so I really didn't have the time. But this is downtown Tampa. For those who don't know already. And this is where we'll be flying the drone today. So it's gonna be really dope. Doing a lot of construction. Definitely gonna stay out their way. In Florida, once again, I'm from Pennsylvania, so I know a lot of my people back home gonna be watching this. In Florida, this is the type of stuff they do for Christmas. Cause it don't get no snow. Ain't no real Christmas tree gonna survive. You get this right here. I'll take it though, word to. Word to everything I'll take it. Oh. Shit got me looking mad majestic, right? Nah, but like I said, so this is where we're gonna be flying the drone at today. There are gonna be a lot of civilians down here because they got like this whole little ice skating rink I'm about to show you when I get closer. Stay out of their way. But I got this. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, this shit busting. I'm so happy I came back to Tampa. It's just so nice out. all the time. Every second of the day type shit. This is winter in Tampa. This is what it looks like in the middle of December in Tampa. It's crazy. Like I said, I'm from Pennsylvania. I can't even fathom this, and I've been down here for some years.
Got the cam.
Got my boy Fraser outside. So over there is the University of Tampa. UT. We're gonna fly the drone out from over here in the cut though. I just think that's my best idea right now. I mean, even right here wouldn't be bad, right? I was thinking from in there, but that's a little enclosed. I think right here is good. So if you stay in Tampa, you know what this is. But we are gonna launch from over here. Just think it's the better choice. I'm in the Girl Scout picture. Should probably get out the way. I say we launch from over here. Nice open area. Sweep the whole city. Still. So another good thing about the drone is that super small and simple to like put together and everything. Got the drone here. I gotta take a thumbnail too, so I'll probably do that. So, this is the drone, ready to go. I just gotta get the controller ready to go, so pretty simple process. We grab my other phone, take the case off, make sure the Wi-Fi is off and it's on D&D. All other apps are closed. Open up the app. Gotta turn my Bluetooth on. I turned it off. Open up the app like that. Grab the controller. Plug it in. Boom. Let me unlock my phone. So it goes on like that. And then the controllers are back here. So you pop this off. Screw it in. Pop this one out. Screw it in. And then it's really just like a gaming controller, to be honest. So you got both of your triggers like you're playing COD, but you're flying the drone. So then we hold this. Come over here. Hold this. gonna hear it do a little glitch. And then we wait for them to stay connected. Give it some time. Bang. Drone connected, right? So now I gotta put this on the ground. Hold on. Y'all see? Y'all can see. Let me see, hold on. Alright, so as you can see, it says takeoff permitted. So now we're gonna take the drone up. Let me just make sure I got the AI tracking on the drone so that when it goes up, here we go. Bring it up closer. There we go. So that is the drone. I don't know if the AI tracking will track it. Let's see. Nah, it's not big enough for it to track. So the rest of this video will probably be up on the drone footage. But yeah. It's me and the drone. So I'm about to take it up in the air. The rest of the video will be on the drone. Just make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff, and I'll see y'all later.